Hi, this is Wendy from wendybottrell.com, and today we want to share some ideas on mind, body, spirit health for your best life. And when we think about natural living or holistic living, we feel it encompasses so much more for your overall health and wellness. Some people think about natural living as the way they eat. Others consider it might be about cleaning products they use, or even some others how they exercise. But in reality, it's going to help your mind, body, spirit health all at once. And when we think about our mind, body, and spirit related to holistic living, what do you think? It's really important to make this distinction first because it means something different for everyone. It might depend on your current lifestyle, where you are right now. Think about what you want to improve in your life to make it more natural, make it more holistic. Some people, they think that holistic living is eating an organic, real food, organic diet. Other people may think it's getting outdoors in nature more often, while others are focused on what they consider preventative care with things like natural herbs, essential oils, and other form of alternative medicine. When you think about a more holistic body, it often starts with what you put on and in your body. For natural foods and products, you're looking for less chemicals and additives and more natural ingredients. Your body wants more natural products that come from the earth. So think about what is made organically that you can use on and in your body. What is consumed is a big part of holistic living, which includes organic produce, farm fresh eggs, local pastured meat and poultry, all organically grown. You can add in exercise as a way to move your body well and keep it healthy, while using natural products on your hair and your skin, as well as in your home. Now, we made this decision way back in 2008 to move toward a more holistic lifestyle for our body and our home. At that time, we were learning about the idea of living with less chemicals, and we were introduced to a company out of Australia called My Essence. And it's the world's first certified organic product line in personal care, body care, oral, and some cleaning products. We've been using these products ever since 2008. The products are excellent. They're shipped directly to our front door. And a few of the products that we especially like are the mint toothpaste, the magnesium deodorant, hair conditioner, and the facial serum. I will include a link to all the products in the show notes. So when we move on to our holistic mind, there are some choices that help you develop more holistic mind and mental health, such as journaling, meditating, and practicing mindfulness. You can begin by getting out in nature to calm the mind, or gradually begin working on a yoga practice that helps you feel centered and more balanced if that fits better for you. An easy way to figure out what your mind needs right now is to think about ways in which you are stressed, anxious, or struggling with your feelings and emotions. This can help you figure out which direction to go to that's best for you. And you may have to try many different things before you find that perfect thing for you. I found that when I'm stressed out and, just in that state of mind where not really able to focus, I find doing the exact opposite and sitting in silence for a few minutes is a great place for me to begin. Then I can journal, and it's been a great addition to calming my stress, getting focused on what I'm feeling and allow those feelings to come out, and it's something that I highly recommend. Our holistic spirit, your spirit is a connection, and it's going to be similar to the activities you use for your mind. However, it expands more your soul and your spirit, such as self-care, and participating in activities that help you regenerate, re-energize, and feel more balance in your health and your life. Many people turn to things like yoga, Pilates, meditation, a spiritual practice, or grounding for their spirit and their soul. We especially enjoy getting out in nature for a hike or a long walk, simply enjoying the sounds, the colors, and the energy of the forest and what it has to offer us in the moment, and we're never disappointed. So share your thoughts and ideas on how you develop the mind, the body, and the spirit for your holistic health and your best life. Be sure to connect with us if we can help you, and subscribe to our new newsletter. Again, I'll put that link in the show notes. I'm Wendy, and you can find us at wendybottrell.com. Bye for now.